Hello there. Greetings of peace and love to all you who are listening and not listening too. Namaste. Today I make a short video on life expansion and what it really is, because it's not me, it's all of us, it's all of you. And it came to me to say it in a simple way, not so much from the brain, but well, some use the word, I don't want to use any names, like some say channeling, some say it came from above or came from the heart. It's all good. I was asked to choose the life expansion name because I really believe nature is my teacher, and by just observing, bear witness, be more silent, be more in silence, be more quiet, paying attention, a lot is answered. And it can take some time, of course. I look at myself, I remember at times that I did not listen. Of course, in many ways, but I'm talking about that great source of strength in the silence and just observing nature and feeling more, less with the brain, more from the heart. And it's wisdom. Wisdom is infinite. Knowledge has a beginning and an end, and it's more dense. It's more complicated when we allow to be natural, in natural state. And that's difficult with the system we create. Of course, I don't need to use examples, but the whole system, some call it a matrix, the whole society setting is not really designed for that. So it's normal that you need to find your way, but all you need is that will, that intention. It often comes from a cliche, something that happens, something unpleasant, a dark night of the soul, a realization that make you understand that this is not the way. Whatever it is, whatever my clever ego decides all the time, is part of something that does not seem ultimate. You're looking, you become a viewfinder. That's all it takes. We stay viewfinders, looking for a new view. No matter how much we evolve, no matter how much we learn, but you need a desire for the no way back. I'm going there. No matter what, it's gonna be good because I'm gonna do it different. So life expansion is not different from yoga, Zen life, Qigong. It's a whole package. It's a whole package. Now I will be asked to do maybe a seminar, a little group speech, or I will be asked to give a mindfulness meditation. And of course we take one good method at that time. If you're interested in the whole becoming your own guru, that's what I wish to do. I not wish to be a teacher, I not wish to teach in that system word. I really sincerely wish to help others, to help themselves. And with a few easy methods, understandings, it can be much easier when you are ready. Well, that's life expansion in a short intro video for my presentation as I was asked. I hope to see you. I hope you awaken more and more and let us thrive again, thriving towards living to a better world. The surface that we are ruining now, or have ruined, there is already awakening going on, but it's hard to see as we still have a lot of system that is breaking us apart and confusing. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you. Much peace and love. Take care. Bye.